So Lloyds Register is a British multinational. We have completed to 55 years of existence, and in India we have completed 137 years of existence. And this started as a charity organization, and there are three business verticals in India. So India comprises of a business cluster called as Southwest Asia, which is India, Sri Lanka and Bangladesh. And we are present in India since last 137 years. As far as the Lloyds Register takes pride in its technological edge. We have two global technology centers, one is in England and another is in Singapore. So there we try to introduce and be at speed with various new technological innovations coming up so that we can utilize it to our customers' benefit. As far as resources are concerned, at a young engineer level, we being an engineering company, we have recently launched a global graduate engineering training scheme for two of our businesses. One is for marine and second is for our energy business. So we have taken on board the new naval architectures as well as marine engineers and also mechanical as well as metallurgical engineers on. So these engineers are part of the global graduate engineer schemes. So they are exposed to the induction program which are run for 2 years, and they will be exposed to various countries, various businesses. So it's a state of the art induction program which they are exposed to. Similarly, at the professional level or at a lateral higher level, we encourage employees to come from London to take important positions in India. Our country managers have been Britishers. At the same time, we encourage our senior management to go across in London and various parts of the world to take critical positions. Say for example, in management system business, the global market research officer is an Indian. Similarly, for the global social media marketing manager is our Indian employee. Similarly, there are various sub positions which we encourage. One very important development which we observe is that because we are technologically very excellent in our skill sets, our major design appraisal business is being slowly migrated from London to Southwest Asia operations. So what it means is that the design appraisal work for global level would be operated from India and other parts of the world, and those are being manned primarily by Indian colleagues. So it's a matter of pride that our excellence has been recognized by Britishers and Lloyds Register. As far as rotation is concerned, we encourage employees, trainees to come forward to do projects in India, as well as we encourage our trainees to go abroad and do projects. So that helps us to keep up to space as far as the technological age is concerned.